Peace, blessings, and love to you all. Today we're here with another video, and I will be showing you guys all of the accessories that I had to get before I really get down to the nitty-gritty of using this new DJI. One of the things was when I first picked it up, I said, oh no, we need a few protective gear before I really get down to the nitty-gritty, because I don't know about anybody else, but I'm very clumsy. And so I wanted to show you guys, so maybe that if you got the same camera, these are some of the items that you can use. Let's see. Okay guys, so to get started, I did get a stand so that if I ever did not want to utilize the actual, let me turn the light up a little bit. If I did not want to utilize the tripod that I have, we can be able to use the Osmo Pocket 3 stand. Okay, so this stand basically is for if you decide not to, or you just charging your camera at the time, you can be able to still utilize without the tripod. So this is that. Make it focus. So basically, if you're not using the tripod and you just wanted it to sit in one spot, you'll be able to use this one stand, and it stands like that. Okay, I am a fan of that because I may not always want to utilize the tripod at that time. This would be a great additional accessory that I can use instead of always using a tripod. Okay, the next thing that I had to go ahead and purchase, I think that was very smart for this, to protect this gear, is a cover for the actual camera piece. So basically this is for the top, and so if I ever wanted to travel with this, instead of bringing my bag, I can just travel like this and utilize this little case and cover to keep the camera protected at all times, because that is the goal. I don't know about anybody else, but I am not gonna be out here keep purchasing and keep buying. I heard somebody had stated that they had lost 3 of these. Not I, says the cat. So here is how that will go. You're just gonna take it off like this. Voila. The next thing that I purchased was some glass screen protectors. I don't know about anybody else. Again, I am clumsy. I have a tendency of dropping items, so I knew for a fact when I saw the glass, I was like, oh no, 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 no. We have to get us some protectors. So what I did was, I have a protector one for this, so when it's flopping up and down, we have something to protect, okay? All right. And then I also, because of there is a camera here, I also brought a camera. So this one has the 2-part. I'll put the link in my description so you guys can know exactly what items. And the last thing I heard that when you're utilizing the device, that to get a more wider look, that you should purchase the widescreen filter. And so I brought a filter as well. Please note that if you already have the DJI Creator Combo pack, that the filter is already included. The wide screen filter is already included. Check your bag. This was a mistake. And so again, we did the basic stand. I purchased the cover to keep that cover if I ever want to do like a quick travel. I had to do my screen protectors for both of the screens, the cameras that have glass, for the top of the camera, and then also for the bag that I'm utilizing right now. And then I also purchased a wide screen filter. Like this one here, I probably can try it on now while I have it recording. Let's see how it looks. And I'm gonna actually like do it in real time so you can see the difference. I don't know if it's gonna change immediately, but where does that go? Oh, it's a magnet. So this is the wide screen. That's nice. So when I take it off here, yeah, you can see the difference. Real nice, y'all. Real nice. It's all magnet. So just so you know, this is a magnet that you can use. This is a magnet filter. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. I am currently shooting on the new DJI, and so I'm super excited to help you guys on your journey. If you have any requests, any questions or concerns, please put them in the comments and I will get back to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and say hi. Bye bye.